Mindray new Consona series is delicately designed for primary care users, featuring new and concrete solutions. Let's experience together how does Consona elevate scanning experience of the 3D fetal face. A good 3D starts with a good 2D imaging. Consona comes with a new imaging parameter, Dehaze, which is special to the ZST platform. So Dehaze improves contrast resolution in 2D imaging by smartly removing the scattering noise often found in difficult patients. With the combination of wide clinical coverage of single crystal transducer, Consona series is able to provide better scanning even in difficult cases, improve confidence in scanning. For fetal face scanning, SmartScene 3D recognizes profile view and immediately adjusts our eye placement to include from forehead to chin with adequate space in front of the face. This quickly catches fetal face before the fetus moves away. Operator only need to press update to get eye live image of the baby face. In other words, operator only need to acquire the profile view and do not need to make any adjustment on the machine to get fetal face, which makes acquisition of fetal face smart, accurate, and easy to perform. Consona series also come with the latest 3D 4D imaging technologies. Consona Smart Face is one-button auto removal of occlusion in front of the fetal face through pattern recognition technology. With Smart Face, now 3D 4D fetal face acquisition is more time-saving and easier, increasing the success rate. Consona iLife Pro with Hyalin takes 3D 4D imaging to another notch. With multi-light source presentation and translucency mimicking natural tissue light transmission, greatly enhance the realism and clarity of 3D 4D images. With the help of large display area in the 13-inch touchscreen and fast processing power by GPU, usage of these advanced features is simplified by quick presentation choices for satisfactory imaging, letting advanced technologies ever easy to navigate. In 3D 4D imaging, Consona is the first in Mindray series of ultrasound that is able to support 3D printing. This is made possible through the generation of mesh format required for 3D printing software. Mindray Consona series 3D printing is easily compatible to most of the 3D printing software and printer in the market.